Here's the truth. After 50, the biggest challenge isn't age itself, it's stagnation. The moment we stop moving, stop challenging our minds, and stop believing that change is possible, that's when we start to fade. But one simple habit, 1 minute at a time, can bring it all back. Just 1 minute of mindful movement daily can create remarkable changes in how the body and mind function after 50 when you take even 60 seconds to move with awareness. Marching in place, stretching your arms, rolling your shoulders, or practicing slow breathing while rotating your wrists, you send a powerful signal to your brain and body that it's time to wake up and rejuvenate. These simple movements increase blood circulation, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to your brain cells. This flow supports the production of new neural connections, helping to strengthen memory, focus, and mental clarity. Over time, light daily movement improves coordination and balance, reducing the risk of falls and stiffness that often come with aging. The body thrives on motion, and even a minute of activity can help loosen tight muscles, ease joint pain, and enhance flexibility. But what makes it truly effective is the mindful part, being fully present while you move. When you focus on your breath, feel your heartbeat, and notice how your body responds, you activate areas of the brain associated with learning and awareness. This combination of physical and mental engagement helps sharpen cognitive functions, improve reaction time, and lift mood. Mindful movement also reduces cortisol, the stress hormone that can harm memory and accelerate aging. By taking that 1 minute each day to reconnect with your body, you create a sense of calm and balance that lasts long after you stop moving. This isn't about exercise intensity. It's about consistency and intention. Over weeks and months, those small daily minutes add up, gradually restoring vitality, enhancing brain function, and reigniting energy. It's proof that taking control of your health after 50 doesn't require hours of effort, just awareness, presence, and 1 intentional minute at a time. Consistency matters more than intensity because the body and mind respond best to small, regular actions repeated over time. After 50, long workouts or drastic changes can often feel overwhelming, but steady, gentle habits practiced daily create lasting transformation. When you move your body, eat well, or practice mindfulness every single day, even in short bursts, you're training your body to adapt, strengthen, and heal in sustainable ways. This rhythm builds trust between your mind and your routine, making wellness feel natural instead of forced. The real secret to healthy aging lies in the power of repetition. Just as the brain forms new neural pathways through consistent learning, the body strengthens through consistent movement. 1 minute of exercise done every day trains your muscles, heart, and joints far more effectively than an hour of sporadic effort once in a while. Consistency builds habits, and habits build results. The same applies to mental and emotional health. Regularly practicing gratitude, deep breathing, or positive self-talk rewires your mindset, reduces stress, and supports emotional balance. The beauty of consistent effort is that it doesn't depend on motivation or perfect conditions. It thrives on showing up, even on days when energy feels low. The body begins to crave movement. The mind starts to expect positivity, and the spirit grows stronger with every small promise kept. Over time, this dependable rhythm of self-care leads to noticeable improvements in energy levels, memory, sleep quality, and emotional resilience. It also cultivates discipline and confidence, the quiet belief that change is always possible, no matter your age. Consistency creates momentum, and momentum creates transformation. By committing to your wellness in small daily steps, you build a foundation for lifelong strength, clarity, and vitality that no quick fix can ever match. Nutrition fuels vitality, especially after 50. When the body's natural repair processes slow down and nutrient absorption becomes less efficient. Every bite you take either supports or drains your energy, so choosing foods that nourish your cells can make a profound difference in how you feel and function each day. filling your plate with colorful vegetables, vibrant fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains supplies essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect against memory decline, fatigue, and inflammation. These nutrients keep the brain sharp by improving circulation, supporting neurotransmitter activity, and preventing oxidative stress, which is one of the leading causes of cognitive aging. A balanced diet doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent changes such as replacing processed snacks with nuts and berries or swapping sugary drinks for water with lemon can dramatically improve energy and focus. Hydration is just as important as food. The brain is nearly 75% water, and even mild dehydration can cause forgetfulness, headaches, and low mood. Eating omega-3 rich foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts strengthens brain cells, while leafy greens like spinach and kale supply the body with folate and antioxidants that boost mental clarity. Light, regular meals help regulate blood sugar, keeping your energy steady throughout the day. Overeating or relying on refined carbohydrates can cause spikes and crashes that leave you feeling sluggish and mentally foggy. Listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues becomes an act of mindfulness that prevents stress-related eating. When combined with movement and a positive mindset, proper nutrition acts as a foundation for resilience, supporting heart health, digestion, and emotional stability. Every nourishing choice tells your body that it's cared for, creating a ripple effect that enhances vitality, improves focus, and keeps you feeling younger, stronger, and more alive with every passing year. Positive self-talk and mindset have a powerful influence on physical health, brain function, and overall motivation, especially as we age. The words you speak to yourself shape how your body responds to challenges, how your brain processes information, and how much energy you bring into each day. After 50, it's easy to focus on what seems to be slowing down, but the real key to staying youthful lies in how you think about yourself. When you replace self-criticism with encouragement, your body literally reacts differently. Stress hormones decrease, blood pressure stabilizes, and your immune system strengthens. The mind and body are deeply connected. What you believe, your body strives to reflect. Each time you tell yourself, "I'm strong, I'm improving," or "I can do this," you're reinforcing positive neural patterns in your brain. Over time, these thoughts form mental habits that protect against anxiety, fatigue, and cognitive decline. This inner dialogue becomes fuel for action. A positive mindset doesn't ignore reality. It reframes it, helping you see growth where others might see limitation. Gratitude and optimism shift brain chemistry by increasing serotonin and dopamine, the very chemicals that support memory, motivation, and happiness. Maintaining a constructive inner voice also builds resilience. Life after 50 brings transitions, but a positive attitude helps you adapt rather than resist. It inspires consistency with healthy routines and encourages you to take pride in progress rather than perfection. Each uplifting thought strengthens emotional balance and confidence, empowering you to care for yourself with patience and joy. When your mind leads with belief and gratitude, your body follows with vitality and strength. The result is not just better health, but a deeper sense of fulfillment. The understanding that every new day is a chance to grow, thrive, and truly live well. Simple lifestyle choices such as movement, nourishment, rest, and gratitude have the power to keep older adults youthful, strong, and mentally sharp. Wellness doesn't depend on drastic routines or expensive treatments. It grows from everyday habits that support the body and mind in gentle, sustainable ways. Light daily exercise keeps joints flexible, muscles active, and circulation strong. Even walking, stretching, or practicing slow breathing can improve balance, coordination, and mood. Movement also encourages the release of endorphins, the body's natural energy boosters, which promote a sense of vitality and optimism throughout the day. Nutrition plays an equally important role in sustaining this energy. Eating whole, nutrient-rich foods helps stabilize blood sugar, support brain function, and maintain a healthy weight. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs to repair and renew itself. Proper hydration ensures that cells stay healthy, while avoiding excess sugar and processed foods reduces inflammation and fatigue. Balanced nutrition doesn't just feed the body, it sharpens the mind and lifts the spirit. Rest is another cornerstone of lasting health. Quality sleep allows the body to heal and the brain to consolidate memories, enhancing focus and mental clarity. Establishing a peaceful bedtime routine, reducing screen time, and practicing relaxation techniques can make a significant difference in overall well-being. Lastly, gratitude ties all of these habits together. Taking a few moments each day to appreciate what's working well, your body's strength, your progress, your relationships, rewires the mind toward positivity. Gratitude reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, and increases emotional resilience. When combined, these simple lifestyle choices create a powerful foundation for longevity, helping you feel more alive, capable, and content with every passing year. Proving that true youthfulness begins from within.